Welcome back to my channel, back at the kitchen again with a simple everyday meal series. Today we are series number 3, which is coconut beans curry with rice in Swahili, Maharagwe ya nazi na Wali. Hope you love it. It's also very easy, quick, especially if you had stocked up boiled beans in advance. Make sure to check up the playlist of the series on the suggested video above and from the description box where I'll drop the link. Enjoy! So far, if you're not new here, you'll have known by now that I love my capsicum grated. Here is why. Well grated, they cook up fast and well, and they increase surface area of cooked parts to form a paste rather than a nasty tasting and evenly cooked chunk. Imagine how easy this one gets. You put in your beans, your capsicums, your onions in the cooking pot, ama sufuria. Then you mix well, and if you had used the oil like I did, this one is important because it just helps the beans not to stick onto the sufuria. So you mix them well and then you simmer or you cook on low heat so that the onions and the capsicum can cook down, and then you throw in your salt to taste. It's at this point that you prepare your garlic cloves by crushing them, and then you're going to put them in the pot. I don't put them first because when you put them first, they will start holding onto the sufuria or the cooking pot before the beans and the capsicum onions are ready. They have a tendency of getting so fast to the cooking pot to a point of holding on to it, and this will make your end results be a very shabby looking paste instead of having a very clean sufuria at the bottom and having a very decent looking meal. After all your ingredients are in, now put in your creamy coconut milk and mix well so that they can boil together to form all those juices to bring in all the flavors that you've put in to taste. Don't put all of your coconut milk, put something close to quarter or a half depending with how you want it to taste in your beans. So the other half we're going to cook it separately so that we can serve it on top of the beans to bring in a stronger flavor of the coconut. That is if you love the stronger flavor. I do wash my rice, that's obvious. So after washing the rice, I cook it in a rather unusual way, but it's very fast, easy and convenient, and my rice turns out as rice is supposed to, not the ugali or the porridge looking rice. So this is how I do it. I put the rice in the cooking pan or the sufuria, I put my oil and salt in it, I mix them well so that I make sure the consistency is even. After that, I put in water just above the rice. Then the best thing with this type of cooking of rice is that if the rice doesn't cook properly, you are free to top in a little water gradually until your rice is cooked to your consistency or however you want them to cook. Then I put the wooden stick on the cooking pan. This is to prevent the water from boiling and overflowing on the sufuria. Once the water has reduced, now cover your pot or your sufuria well so that now all the water can drain into the rice as it cooks down. Check that your rice is ready to serve at this point. Alright naturals, we are done with the creamy coconut milk on the beans and some little chili at the side. So please guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment at the comment section, interact with me, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, all the good vibes. Bye until the next video.